just picked up a bunch of parts. I got the condensing unit, the evap coil, TXV thermostat solenoid valve for that cold table I bartered the price on. Now I gotta head over to the diner, that one waitress station we did the old gas and go on. What is it? Not that long ago. I think it's down again. So if that's the case, I'm not even gonna put gas in it. But I will do a quick leak check. If the evap coil's leaking, maybe I could sell this guy an evaporator coil now that the outside dining's back open and they're getting a few customers. Let's go over there. We'll go over there and see if that's the case, and then maybe I can get a price together for him for a new evaporator coil. All right, so as fate would have it, the compressors doesn't want to start. We still got gas in it, but this condensing unit's so shitty. Watch. It's leaking off that receiver cap. Let's see that's the leak for sure. Little 26 parts per million. Right in there. So I'm old school. I like it better when it just does this. All right. See about, I'm just gonna replace this condensing unit. Look at this thing. Rust bucket. All right, getting the knee pros on. This is all the gear to rebuild this little cold table. And I'm not in a rush today. Just gonna take my time and try and do a nice job. It's gonna use soft copper, 3/8 1/4 inch. And yeah, I did. I got a piece of insulation for the suction line. Boink, there it is. And we gotta recover this thing. So I want to get it recovered, kill power, and then I can rip and tear while we're recovering. Let me get my headlight on, my flashlight on my head. One's cap tube. Static pressure. Let's go get some extension cord and some tools. love the self-purge feature. Purges out the whole machine right into the tank. Nice. All right, I got the condensing unit out. I got the thermostat off. Power's killed, locked out. I cut the line set back. And I'm gonna get in here and take apart that evaporator coil. I mean, when you do refrigeration, don't you love your job? You just love it. Something for a drain right there. Got the wires for the evap here. Got those yeah, it looks like it was just held up with some 1/4 inch screws. And everything should pull this way. Alright, there's the coil and the condensing unit out. Little 1700 BTUs, and we just got into it in there. I'm like, hey, you got to clean this out. He's like, no, put the new one in. I'm like, no, you got to clean it out first. It was roached. So I think they're doing a little cleanup. Let's go check up. All right, while they're doing that, I'm going to see about getting the TXV in this coil. Talk about no Taj Mahal, mama. Holy Toledo. Let's see if that thing will clean up a little bit. This is going to be our replacement evap coil right here. Technology and stuff. What do we got here? We got a 16. Yeah, we got 1600 BTUs, and we'll be just fine. Taking out a 17, putting in a 16. All right. There's the coil. I got to get the TXV in. So, it's our suction line out. And TXV in, or vice versa. All right, so this is our TXV. It's just a little 1/4 ton, medium temp, R134A. And the way they do it, it'll fit right on there. Just got to shine that up. And then we'll have 1/4 inch liquid line coming in from down here somewheres. We'll see when we get the coil on. I might even do it right here. There's a knockout right here. And I might just do it right here. That'll probably work out good. So I'm gonna shine this up and shine that one up and then get this ready. Get it all prepped and ready. I could take those lines right out there with the pop-in bushing to knock that knockout out. Where the knockouts don't want to come out. Have you guys been doing any of the carrier furnaces lately? And try and get the knockouts on the front. It's like they don't even come out. It's brutal. All right, I'll just go in with the electrical pop-in bushing. Those will pop right in there, so you don't get the old Mr. Rabaduski. See? Boom. That's where the lines will come out. All right, I'm gonna bust out the swage for here. And let me get 2 hands on that. I wish I could film more for you guys right now, but I don't have my GoPro. Let's see if that does anything. Gotta love those things, man. Bam! Baby. There she is. All right, here's the setup. I got my valve wrapped. I'm gonna sweat the outlet of the valve. Then we'll be able to make this connection down here. I'm gonna probably just stub them out, and then I can come through and up to these. But I'll have this built up enough to where I can mount the coil. Does that make sense? And I got some stainless steel screws we can use to mount this thing. Which I think I might have to make some pre-drillers if that box, I think it might be stainless on that wall. We'll take a look. Let's get this braced up and we'll carry on. All right, just so you didn't think I was some like refrigeration wizard. The back comes off of those coils too, so that you can get to the, you can get all the way around the valve. So the fronts come off with the fans, and then the back comes off with 5 screws also. NorCal's tip of the day. All right, we got the coil mounted. All right. Now we gotta work on our line set. All right, show you guys where I'm at. Suction line's done, liquid line. I'm just getting ready to solder in the liquid line solenoid valve. I got the pressure control mounted. I put the unit in an angle. It pulls air from the bottom up. And I put it in an angle so I can get to the service valves for the receiver and the suction line. So I'll show you that in a little bit. And I'll show you the coil I'm in. I'm gonna get this liquid line solenoid valve sweated in, and then we'll work on the thermostat. I got the thermostat over here and the solenoid coil. So basically power is just going up to this, breaking through this switch to bring on our compressor. And this will get activated by pressure from this. The thermostat's gonna bang on and off our solenoid valve. And this is the thermostat that has defrost. So it should be pretty good. Let me carry on here. Okay, as usual, my video fell apart. I'm just getting it running. There's my sight glass, getting her charged up. The box is coming down. We're at about 89 condensing, 27 evap. The box is at 55, and I'm still flashing pretty good. So I'm gonna let it come around and settle down here. I had to the coil I got was crazy. Like the windings in it weren't good. It was brand new, so I had to get one off the truck. What else? That's about it, really. We got thermostat, solenoid for pump down. We got low pressure control, and that's how we're doing it. All right, so about 90 condensing, 22 evaporator. Box is at 42. Let's see if I can get it set for a pump down. So I'll go off at 43, on at 52. Let's see if she'll pump down. She's coming down. Shut off. That's pretty good. All right. Let's reset the thermostat so gonna go off. I'm gonna go off at 37, and I'm gonna go on at 41. We're gonna do our 2-minute compressor delay. Okay. Short cycle protection. So here we go. Yep, that's gonna do it on this one. All right, so that was a little rebuild on the makeup table. The video kind of fell apart, but we added a solenoid valve, thermostat, TXV from a cap tube system, and right now it's the next day. I just stopped by to check on it. It's looking good, looking real good. And I like the way that came out. Ooh, a lot of traffic right now. Look at this guy mowing it. Breaker 19, breaker, breaker, breaker. Breaker, breaker 19er. Yep, so that's gonna do it on that one. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't yet, hit the subscriber. And if you want to get notifications about more videos, go ahead and click the bell, and we'll get some more videos out. Oh, just so you guys know, I didn't buy the Stratus leak detector. Inficon sent that to me to test out and play with. So I'm using it in the videos, seeing how it works. You can see at the beginning of the video, it worked pretty damn good. And also they replaced my D-Tech 3. That thing's working good now too, the replacement model. So that's why the Stratus was in my video. I didn't actually spend $900 of my own dollars on one. So I just want to make that clear to everybody. So with that said, I'll see you on the next video.